Hello, welcome to Tim Anderson Horse Training. It is the week of Christmas. I thought we'd do something a little bit different today. I don't think it has been a long time since I've really introduced you to all the horses. You've seen them in videos, but I've never really introduced you and told you much about them. I thought we'd do that today and let you meet the horses and learn just a little bit about them. So we're going to go over here. We're going to start with Mac. His name is Macaroni and Cheese. Go by Mac for short. It's kind of a funny story how he got that name, Macaroni and Cheese. He belonged to a gentleman, and the gentleman told his grandson, that looked like maybe 5 or 6, I'm not sure, think of something that you like a whole bunch, and that's what we're going to call the horse. So the little boy said he liked macaroni and cheese a whole bunch, so that's how the horse got the name Mac and Cheese. So we call him Mac for short. And he's a 3-year-old Freckles Marauder bred gelding. And you see him in a lot of my beginning training videos. And hopefully he'll start his show career next year, start hauling him a little bit and see how he goes. And got real high hopes for Mac. Really like him. He's a really exciting horse. And this is Blue. Come here, Blue. This is Blue. You see him in a lot of the videos that I do. And he is a 4-year-old. He just started his show career this year, and he is actually a National Range Cow Horse money earner this year. And I'm not sure, but I believe I might have actually even qualified him for the National Range Cow Horse World Show. I doubt that we'd go. I think that'd be putting a little bit too much pressure on him. I'd have to push him a little bit harder than what I'd like. We might do that with him next year. He really nice gelding. Really like this horse. He's a son of Betty's a cat, so really nice bred. And I've taken him to a couple of shows, and we've won money at all the shows I've taken him to this year. So he's got a really nice show career ahead of him. So let's go over to this stall. This is Sweet Thing. I've done the what's next after the first ride video series with her, and I'll actually be coming out with the third and final part here real soon. This is she is actually a 2-year-old running bred horse. Really nice, good-minded horse. Really affectionate horse. Of course, being 2, she's got her little baby temper and a few things that we've got to work out. But this is going to be a really nice horse. Really like her. And we'll go on down the line. Next horse I'm going to show you just came into the barn. Some of you that really follow Facebook a lot might actually recognize this horse. This is Raymond. He actually did really well at one of the Extreme Mustang makeovers a couple of years ago. And she's here to kind of refine her rein work and her cow work. We're going to see if we can show her in some National Range Cow Horse shows this coming up year. I think it'd be pretty neat to have a BLM Mustang be a Range Cow Horse money earner. So we'll see how that goes. I'm excited to see how that works out. So we'll work down the barn a little bit. Let's go down here to the one making all the racket. You don't want to be left out. This is Hank. Hank, we got Hank a couple of years ago, belongs to one of my clients. And he was a handful to train, but he has turned into a really nice horse. I've actually won several $1,000s on him between me and his owner, and in cow horse. I've shown him in freestyle reining. I've shown him twice in freestyle reining, and we've won both of them on it. So he's a really nice horse. This is the horse that I did the lead change video on, and he loves to work cows. and I'm looking forward to this next show year with him. We actually qualified him for 3 different world shows last year, but because of COVID, we didn't take him to any of them, and so I'm looking forward to getting him qualified again and seeing how he does. So that's Hank. Now we'll go on to the next stall. This next horse is Lucy. That's Hank. This next horse is Lucy. Lucy has had a real long, really nice reining career. I think she's about 19 or 20 years old now. Mainly use her for a lot of the beginner reining lessons. She, at one time I looked at her show record. My arm's getting tired. At one time I looked at her show record, and she had been shown well over 100 times, just National Reining Horse Association shows. So she is a weekend warrior kind of horse, and she actually won the state open horse show in trail, I believe 3 years in a row. And so she is really good at a lot of things, likes to work cows. So this is, I use her for some of the beginner lessons. She's kind of in semi-retirement right now. She's definitely earned it. So that's a few of the lessons that I have in the barn, or the horses that I have in the barn right now. And just wanted to kind of give you a chance to meet them all. I normally put my videos out on Tuesday and Friday, with this Friday being Christmas Eve and then the following Friday being New Year's Eve. I'm going to adjust that. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do. I might put the video out on Thursday, or I'll say I might just skip it, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to do just yet. And other thing I wanted to say is I've been working on building up items in my merchandise store. This is one of my stocking caps that I have. Don't have a whole lot in the store, but if you'd like to go see what I have, my website is helpwithmyhorse.com, and click on store and you can see what I have in my store there. So I hope you enjoyed meeting everybody in the barn. That's who's in the barn right now. I still have some lesson horses and a couple other horses out. I want to do some more on my lesson horses, kind of introduce you to those. And they're pretty unique. I'm pretty proud of them. And I wanted to take take a minute this video to wish everybody Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And Christmas is coming up this week. I'm looking forward to spending time with my family this Christmas. It's always a big occasion for us. And I hope you enjoyed seeing all the horses. Until next time, thank you for watching.